birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Jared. Happy birthday, Kuya Jared. Enjoy your day and lagi kang sumunod kay Teacher Daddy A and kay Mommy Janice. I prayed and I declare na ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo ay maka-finish ka ng studies. I love you!
Happy birthday, Jared. Sana maging mabuti ka kaya mami at daddy mo. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Go.
Happy 30th birthday, Kuya Jared. We love you. Enjoy your day.
Happiest birthday, Jared. God bless you, and I hope and I pray that you'll enjoy your special day. I also pray that all your dreams or all your goals and prayers will come true. Lagi ka lang magiging mabait kay mommy and daddy and sa kapatid mo and to all the people around you. God bless you more and you can be anything you want to. Okay, always be strong lang and I believe in you. Happiest birthday! Enjoy!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Jared, how are you? Just want to greet you on your birthday. May your birthday bring you growth, joy, and discovery of even more amazing things about yourself and what Jesus will do with your life. Enjoy your birthday. May your day be filled with love, laughter, and all the things that make you smile and happy. Always remember, we love you, but Jesus loves you more. Happy birthday, Jared. Bye.
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa'yo.
Hi, Jared. This is Tita Rochelle. Alam mo, I really love it when I hear you call me and say, Tita Rochelle! I love that about you. I think no one calls me like you do. And you know, this is a very special day for you. And I know you're turning 13th. Happy birthday, Jared. You are now a young man. And you know what that means? That's kind of exciting because like, you're no longer that boy. You are a grown little man. And that means you're just enjoying a new season. But nevertheless, you enjoy just being you. There's no pressure with it. Just grow in the fear of God. You continue what you're doing, loving your dad, loving your mom, loving, of course, your beautiful sister, and everything will fall into place. So, that's the perks of being a young man. But there, expect more things to come and more blessings to come your way, and favor after favor will be upon you. So remember, we love you. And we will never grow tired of hearing the way you call the names of the people that you love. And I'm so proud because that includes me. I love you, Jared, and happy birthday.
Nawa'y tuwing birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya. Katulad ngayon, mukha mo'y masaya.
Hello, Jared. Happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy!